Hi there, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sharon, and today I'm going to show you how to curl your hair like you just walked out of a salon. So let's get right into it. I always start off by brushing through my hair and applying some heat protectant. Lately, I've really been loving Amika's Superfruit oil. She's really lightweight and smells so good. Next thing you want to do is preheat your curling iron. In this video, I'm using T3's single pass curler. Since we're going for a blowout look, I'm going to grab medium-sized sections of hair and curl away from the face. As you can see, I'm holding the iron upright and wrapping my hair evenly around the barrel. Now, this is the secret to curling your hair like a pro. You're going to want to keep lightly tapping the clamp of your curling iron as you're gliding your hair slowly through the barrel. That tapping motion is what's going to keep the tension and distribute the heat evenly throughout your hair. Hold that curl in for about 10 to 15 seconds. I honestly wouldn't go no longer than that, just to avoid heat damage. Once you release the curl from your iron, you want to avoid as much manipulation as possible and just pin your curl up. I'm using a metal duck clip to do this. I think that they're great for keeping the shape of your hair without leaving any dents. Alright, beautiful, I'm going to continue doing the same process throughout the rest of my hair, and I'll see you at the end of the video. All right, beautiful. We are finally at the end. Thank you for joining my channel and watching my video. Please let me know if this was helpful or not. Make sure to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. I will be posting more videos just like this. I'll see you at the next one. Bye.